In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add a reseller. Log in and navigate to the Members section of your Livecaster account. Click on Add Subuser in Peoplebots Reseller. Add the reseller's details, including name, email, password, and permissions. Click Submit to add the reseller to your account successfully. Your customer access is now been created. You can also manage your customer's subscription details on this page. You can change the status to available, canceled, executed. You can verify the reseller is added or not by checking the customer's email. Thank you for watching this tutorial.